As Catholic bishops of Arizona, we express our frustration about the current situation at the U.S.-Mexico border.
The lack of a federal solution to challenges faced by both vulnerable asylum seekers and American communities is sorely needed and long overdue.
The states and local communities along the border shoulder much of the challenges created by the federal government's neglect. Its failure to address increased migration in a pragmatic and humane way has led to an ineffective response at the border and an unacceptable number of migrant deaths.
We do not question the good intentions of those seeking to address these challenges. Nonetheless, we believe that Proposition 314 will have unanticipated consequences and that it is not the right solution.
Although proponents argue that Proposition 314 is about border security, the reality is that its passage will create real fear within Arizona communities that will have harmful consequences.
In particular, by having state and local law enforcement responsible for enforcing what should be the role of the federal immigration authorities, many crime victims and witnesses will be afraid to go to law enforcement and report crimes. As a result, dangerous criminals will not be apprehended and public safety will be threatened.
Additionally, immigration by its nature is a national issue, and the regulation of immigration extends beyond the purview of individual states, points consistently affirmed by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Rather than holding the federal government accountable, Proposition 314 will only create further disorder and confusion,
placing unworkable and unrealistic expectations on state judicial officers and law enforcement personnel.
The federal government needs to do a much better job of managing our national border and providing comprehensive immigration reform.
Proposition 314, however, is unlikely to survive legal challenges and is not the right solution to these problems.